How to check and view your full Snapchat history. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Snapchat on your mobile. As you open Snapchat on your mobile, then go to the settings option that is up above. As you click on that, then click on the wheel option that is located on the right side. Click on that and then scroll down in the option. As you scroll down, keep on scrolling down to the option of privacy. As you go to the privacy, then down here you will be able to see my data. As you click on my data, now it will load for some time or even ask for your password and your username. Now in my case it's asking for my password and my username. As I put my password and my username over here, I can check and view my full Snapchat history. This is how I can check my full Snapchat history. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So if you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also please don't forget to like the video. Thank you.